Hi everyone, thought I'd give you some insight on this awesome module by Automation. It is the HTTP post wildcard. It will allow you to send any single string HTTP post or get command. There's a post version, there's another get version, and there's a TCP version as well. So what do you use this for? Well, any device that needs basically a command to be sent that there is no driver for, you can create the custom string and action something. So one case for this would be 2N door entry that we all use. We can ring from the door entry to the touchscreens, but one thing you can't currently do is ring from the touchscreen to the door entry. So what we have done is we have added the module into Crestron Home, and you will see it populates like this and created an action called call. Behind that action, we have used the 2N API commands to say dial rather Crestron, and then we have mapped that to a quick action. So now when you tap this button, you self-initiate the front door during the touchscreen, even though no one is there. So very useful, and I'm sure you can do many other things with it, but very cool. Thumbs up.